Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute spring Christmas tree. So you'll need some white chalk paint or white paint of your choice. I grabbed this tray from Dollar Tree. It's one of the metal trays. I grabbed the square one. They have like oval shaped ones too. A button, an old thimble, and then I just grabbed a bunch of random springs. Some I had to rust yesterday. And to rust them, all I did was sand them down and put them in a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and salt and let them soak and then let them dry in the sun. So the first thing that you're going to do is paint your tray. And this took 2 coats of the chalk paint. You have your tray all painted. I took a sanding block once it was all dry and sanded around all of the edges to give it a rustic look. And I just used a sanding block that I actually got at Dollar Tree. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished being sanded. Has that rustic vibe. Now it's time for us to start gluing down our pieces. I use this stuff called Clear Grip by Gorilla Glue. And the first thing I'm going to do is attach the thimble at the bottom. Then I'm going to start attaching my springs from the largest to the smallest, starting at the bottom. So I just used the glue, putting it on every part of the spring, and then just gluing it down. And I continued this all the way to the top. And this is my last spring. Then at the very top, I glued the button. And there we have a cute little Christmas tree. Now you can embellish this any way that you want. You could put, decorations on it. You could add bells to it. You could do whatever you want. I just wanted to keep it just plain and rustic as it looked. I absolutely love the way all the patinas from all of the different springs and the different aging of all the springs look against the stark white background. I love this project. It was so much fun to make. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. Don't forget to spread the chaos, and don't forget to sign up for our texting community so you'll be notified when I post any new DIYs.